Hello Stackers, a little unboxing for you here. I got this today. There we go. Here I've got two. Before, from the Royal Mint, you used to get crappy little boxes you couldn't open, you couldn't do anything with. And they're too hard to open sometimes. You never win, can you? So there you go. One, two, that's two. So for these, and what do we have here? Ah, 2017 Britannias. Let's have a look. I bought these because they're the anniversary ones and they're on sale. 2017. There's the Wicked Witch of the West. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think they've gone friggin' mad. Seven, 8, 9. 10, 11, 12. Sorry about this, I'm doing this as come in these little bags now. It's a change from the Royal Mint. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There we are, 14 Britannias, 2017 anniversary edition. But they're quite a fair price, so I thought I'd buy them. And yeah, that's it. I've got a couple of other parcels I'm going to open. So this is just part 1 of the silver unboxing. Look forward to part 2 and part 3. and let's see where it takes us. Thanks a lot.